Oh my god! What? Don't you see it? What? It's over there! Oh, let me take a look. Welcome to another episode of RealMelTan. Before that, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more amazing tech stuff. If you guys already know or seen my previous video, I was using an old Asus laptop that's roughly 6 years old. Right now, I'm upgraded to a new computer, so it serves all my Premiere Pro and my Photoshop needs. Let's just call him Red. Red is a mid to high-end computer made by the guys by Typhoon Systems Singapore. You can check them out in the link below. So it costs about Singapore $2,000, which roughly amounts to $1,500 US. So let's go on and see what's inside Red. Past this time, which is a MSI B450 Tomahawk. Inside we have the Ryzen 5 2600X, 6 cores, 12 threads. Pretty awesome, pretty good for my Premiere Pro needs. Cooled by the AMD Rave Spire cooler, so we may be looking at upgrading it to a third-party cooler in the future. So for fast boot up, we have the Western Digital Blue 500 gigs of M.2, 16 gigs of the 66 MHz DDR4 G.Skill with jaws, MSI GTX 1070 Ti Duke Edition, 8 gigs of GDDR5 memory. Check out the big triple fan. We have another Western Digital Blue 1TB, Seasonic M12 2 Evo Edition, 500 watts 80 plus bronze for Shakun paste like RGB fans, 120 mm. Pretty good, pretty cool, pretty quiet. Inside, so we have the Shakun TG5 RGB Edition. Such an excellent build from Typhoon Systems Singapore. So now let's do some simple benchmarking to see how well Red runs. So it all began when I contacted Typhoon Systems via the website for this previous system. Before that, I did my research. I sought advice from my girlfriend and mutual friend on how to get this build done. So Gordon, who is the main guy at Typhoon Systems, answered and guided me through the whole buying process. He recommended me the Roku, which is one of their top selling machines, and it suited my budget. He was also kind enough to squeeze in the GTX 1070 Ti into my budget. So I had a hard choice deciding between building my own or getting a previous system like those from Typhoon Systems. It was through Gordon's advice and my girlfriend's my friend that decided to end up with this previous system. The whole process of contacting him by through the website, build and delivery took about 2 weeks, and I was glad to receive it within these 2 weeks. Of course, I would like to build my own system in the future, so do stay tuned to my channel if you'd like to see such builds happening. So, what you guys think? Pre-build or self-build? Let me know in the comment section below. I'll do my best to reply to all of you. Thank you. So, thank you all of you for watching my first PC tech review video. So I created this video to showcase one of Singapore's leading pre-built manufacturing companies, and I hope you guys will pay him a visit or contact him via his website for more information. So this is part 1 of my setup. Part 2 is on its way, so stay tuned to my channel for the video arrival. Like this video, give me a big thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, you can decide. More importantly, comment and share this video with all your friends. Subscribe and click the bell button for new videos and new updates. This is RealMelTan out.